I've been hearing a lot about this new system we've installed, the Dazzle 2. What makes it stand out for our CNC operations? The Dazzle 2 is a game changer for us. It's an advanced monitoring system designed specifically for CNC machine factories just like ours. It tracks coolant levels, monitors our bricks readings, and even notifies us when we need to reorder our coolant. Sounds impressive, but how does it actually benefit us on the factory floor? Well, for starters, it's all about real-time data. The Dazzle 2 collects data from each CNC machine, analyzing everything from coolant levels to bricks readings. This means we can optimize our operations based on actual performance metrics. I see. So it helps us make informed decisions. But what about maintenance? That's always been a headache. That's one of the best parts. The Dazzle 2 does all of the coolant measurements for us, so we don't have to waste time hauling buckets anymore. It's a huge time and cost saver. Predictive maintenance. That could really smooth out our operations. But what about the setup? New tech can sometimes be a challenge to integrate. Zebra Skimmers made sure the Dazzle 2 is user-friendly. It's pretty much plug and play. It integrates seamlessly with most CNC machines. Plus, it comes with comprehensive support right here in the USA, so we're covered if we run into any issues. And I assume it helps with our bottom line? Absolutely. By optimizing coolant use and reducing downtime, we're looking at a significant increase in productivity. Not to mention, less wear on our machines and tools means lower repair and replacement costs. It's efficient, it's effective, and it pays for itself in about 8 months with the savings it generates. Efficiency, savings, and proactive maintenance. The Dazzle 2 seems like it's going to be a pivotal part of our operations. Exactly, and there's also the morale boost. Our teams don't have to deal with as many unexpected issues, and they can focus on what they can do best. Plus, having access to this kind of technology makes our factory a more attractive place to work. It sounds like the Dazzle 2 isn't just a tool, it's a step into the future of manufacturing. Let's make sure we leverage its full potential to keep our factory at the forefront of the industry. I couldn't agree more. With the Dazzle 2, we're not just keeping up with our competitors, we're setting the pace.